Precious here at the Posh Academy, and I am coming to tell you of an amazing workshop I am launching next week. You guys have asked, and here I am again delivering. I like to give the people what they want. So a lot of you that's just getting into draping or maybe enhancing your skills, a lot of you get stuck because you don't know really how to price your services. You don't know how to price the premium draping at a premium level. So if that is the case, this workshop is for you, because not only do I tell you all of the strategies that I still use to this day in my business, I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to lay it all out. Who doesn't like to be shown exactly what to do, right? So after this workshop, you'll be able to not only package your services, you'll be able to price them accordingly, and you'll be able to pitch it like a boss. So there's no more guessing. There's no more not being able to follow up with your client, or because you don't know how much to charge them and you scrounging around trying to get your question answered. No, you don't no longer have to go into groups and ask, how much do you charge for this backdrop? You want to know why? Because you're going to have the intel to do it yourself. Hello. So if you're interested in learning how to price your premium draping like a boss, this workshop is for you, because not only will you be able to do all those things, your confidence is going to shoot through the roof, because now when you are approached about a quote, or maybe how much is this backdrop, right? You'll know instantly how much it is. And not only that, you'll be able to upsell, downsell, or you'll be able to maneuver in your business because you'll have the confidence to do so. So click that link, make sure you register, make sure if you're going to come live, make sure you register. If not, you can even purchase the tutorial. It is a forever file, meaning it's yours. Incorporate it into your business and rock out like a pro. Ciao, y'all.